Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be drawing Titan X from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. So this is like a side view picture, and so like we're gonna get his head in like over here and some of like his neck or body area right here. So I'm just going to start with that, and I'm gonna have, so yeah, I'm just going to start with his eye. So, and it's going to be like about right here there. So I'm gonna make that right there. So then I'm just gonna make that go up. And so yeah, we're just gonna have a line like that. And so now I'm just going to just have like some spiky stuff right here. So like just something like that. And I'm going to now have like his eye. So yeah, it's not gonna be like flat. And so it's gonna be like kind of flat, and so like not big either. So like just something like that. And so, just like that. And so, yeah, I'm gonna have his pupil right there. Just stuff around his eye. Like just this. So now we're just gonna add this, like, so it's gonna come down, and then, yeah, it's just gonna stop, like, right there or something. And so, so after that, we're gonna have, yeah, we're just gonna have some lines right here. I'm gonna extend this, and it's just going to come over like that. So yeah, we can finish this line. We can make it go over here. We can add like these fin stuff, or I don't know what they're called. So just like over here. And so now I'm just going to have, so I think this is his snout, so I'm just going to come over here, and I'm going to have like this, it's like some sort of, like, I don't know what you could call it, but I'm gonna have like this red thing on him coming up right here. And it's just gonna come down like that. We can have the front of his snout. It's gonna be, I think these are teeth. They're gonna be like that. But also just make sure that you draw them a little, get sharper. And so, just gonna be, so yeah, Titan X doesn't have too many teeth, so I'm just gonna have this. So yeah, just something like that. And yeah, we can have this other one right here. We can just make that a little shorter. So yeah, we can have, I don't know why I keep saying that. So now I can have, we're gonna have his nostril right here. There's some lines around it. Can finish his mouth area. Just something going over there. And so now I'm just going to have like this spiky stuff. And so we're just going to come like that. Or so I'm gonna have his, so we're just gonna make that a little bit shorter, and I'm gonna have this coming over here. And so yeah, just gonna come a little farther down. And so just like that. And so now I'm gonna have, I'm not sure what these are, but I'm gonna add this right here. And I'm just gonna bring this up here. And so, yeah, we're gonna have it kinda high. And just some lines on it, so we can have more lines down here too. Like just some right here. And you can just add like them anywhere you want, I guess. I'm just gonna make this part a little bit flatter. So yes, there's like more red stuff, like maybe there can be some right here, or maybe one up there. So yeah, just like that. So now I'm just going to have, yeah, just some more. Of this right here. And so, just something like that. And I know this part looks kind of square here, so I'm gonna like make it a little rounder. Like maybe we can just add a little detail like that. We can just add like more, like some lines here just to make it look like a little less round, a little less like square. And so yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to, so we're gonna just be bringing this like red stuff or funky stuff back over here. You can just add like just as many things as you want, like. So I'm gonna have his, so yeah, we can just add some other, yeah, just all this stuff. So just some extra lines in here. You can also just add some in here. And so, yeah, just like that. And so now I'm gonna add more teeth in this. So yeah, these are just the teeth that I added before, and so now I'm just gonna add more teeth. So make sure that these are sharp, and I'm just gonna be like this, and make sure there's a lot of them. Make sure they're also skinny. And so they kind of stop over here. Like, you can draw them over there if you want. So, that's what his teeth are gonna look like. Well, maybe I drew that. Never mind. So, yeah. So, we can also just add his bottom row teeth right here. And so, it's gonna be like that. And so, yeah, that's the front jaw. That's the bottom jaw, and I forgot to mention there can be some teeth like up here too, so you can draw that. So, yeah, we're gonna continue the bottom. And so make sure that, yeah, they're not like, not as much teeth down here, but they're still kind of a lot. And so, maybe a little like that. I feel like the jaw should be a little more closed. Maybe just a little, like, something like that. So now, like, his chin is gonna kind of like stick out right here, and just have lines. I don't know why I talk when I don't need to, so I'm probably not gonna talk as much anymore. So it's gonna be like that. Just, like, I don't know. Like, we can just, like, make this look better by adding more stuff. And now I'm just going to have more of this red stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's the bottom kind of, and yeah, there's just a little more of this stuff back here, and so this is just gonna come like that, and yeah, that's most of his face. And I don't want to add too many of the stuff, the red stuff, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna add some more lines right here, just to make it look a little detailed. But you don't have to do this stuff, so I'm just gonna add some lines. And now I'm just gonna have this last red thing, and I'm gonna have his neck going down there. So maybe just down like that. And we can just start shaping out the face. Now, so like with this stuff. Or maybe we can just, so this is just gonna come in more can like, yeah, just whatever you want on here. And just something like that. So, now we can add it. So now his neck kind of like comes all the way back here. So I am just going to add some more of this stuff. And so, I don't know, so just add this stuff right there, and just really whatever you want back here. I don't know what I'm gonna draw, but we can just still fill in this, but I don't know if he has like a spine or what, but I'm just gonna draw. So, yeah, I'm just gonna try to like get it in, because usually last times I've drawn the picture too small and I've not like been getting it. I've just been zooming in my videos. I just want to get the backgrounds in here. So, I'm just gonna discontinue until like over here. Just something like that. And I'm also just going to erase this. In my opinion, it doesn't look that good, so I'm gonna have this like right there. So yeah, that looks better. And just some lines I have really no idea how tight X actually, like what his details are. So like, just gonna be drawing stuff. And yeah, of course it's like, so I'm gonna have, yeah, you just add like whatever you want in here. I have no idea what I'm doing right now, so I'm just gonna add more of this stuff, or maybe just like fin or whatever on right there, or maybe, yeah, just really whatever you want to do. But I'm just gonna do that. So yeah, we've come to an end of this short video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And so yeah, just like that. And so I just add a little bit more to this, and so you're done with this picture now. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.